Finalement, on n'a pas pensé à la bracelet de papa.
Alright guys, so it's Friday, about 10:30 or so. Haven't done a little beach report in a while, so take a walk and see the beach conditions today. The high season has started, so expect to see a lot more people on the beach as the month progresses. See more and more. I believe it's in the low 80s today. At nights, right now it's getting to be mid 60s, very comfortable, low humidity.
Ah, no, yo tengo uno, pero el alma.
Also wanted to talk about what to expect when you come down here around this time. I believe there are no requirements as far as COVID testing to enter Mexico. But of course, when you leave, you'll have to follow the requirements for your particular country. But as far as entering Mexico, there is nothing. Guys are getting ready to go on a fishing trip here. I've done one of the fishing trips on a little tanga, and you only have really go out a quarter mile, half mile maybe, and we caught a ton of snapper, various other fish, but it's relatively inexpensive. I think we paid $75 per person for a half-day trip. It's 4 hours. You can see there's no seaweed. It'll be a short walk, but at least you get the idea of what the beaches are like here now. I'll try to upload the video the same day. I missed yesterday because honestly I went out too late last night. Steve. Fairly new here. They really cleaned it up. Called Sunset Beach Club. And there are COVID restrictions here. Outdoor areas, you're not required to wear a mask. But just about every store, all the little Oxxos, Walmart, you'll need to wear your mask indoors. They take your temperature. And then most of them give you hand sanitizer as you walk in. Other than that, everything is operating as usual. I think most of the bars are staying open their regular hours now. They're not shutting down any earlier. Coming up on 6th Street, I think they'll walk towards 5th Avenue, show you a little bit of 5th Avenue. This is Fusion Bar.
Bon, écoute, pour l'instant, voilà, tout va bien en tout cas.
Hola, Flor. How are you? Good. I believe also the all the archaeological sites like Chichen Itza and Koba, Ekbalam, they're all open. No restrictions there. Of course, even though that's an outdoor space, I believe you still have to wear a mask when you enter. But as far as going on 5th Avenue, there's no mask requirements. Although you can see some people wearing masks. We'll walk one block on 5th Avenue and call it a quick video. Just a short, quick video. I'm a little bit tired. Have some plans this weekend with some friends before they leave. This is 8th Street, I believe. Yeah. One of my favorite Italian restaurants here, Eat Italy, is totally closed off. I didn't know if they are changing to another business or what's going on, but Chapultepec always remains busy at night. I believe their gimmick is just about everything is $1 or just above $1, so they get pretty packed. And down the road here on 8th is Hotel Carmen. They reopened. They have a restaurant and bar. Actually, I believe it's just a pool bar upstairs on the roof. Pretty nice place. And right before you get to Hotel Carmen is a little restaurant associated with fusion called Musa. And it is like a hookah bar, little restaurant. But if you go to Fusion, order food, the food is coming from Musa. So they walk it 1 block over to Fusion. The nights have been super pleasant. Of course today, like I said, it might be in the low 80s. The humidity feels a little bit higher. But typically right now, or within the past week and a half, nights have been in the high 60s, mid 60s. Low humidity. Still feels very pleasant. Although it has rained on occasion, the weather it's been pretty nice so far. So I think all I did here, this is 8 and 10. So hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching.